Welcome to the accessible.org VPAT training. We are going to make VPATs and ACRs as easy to understand as possible. This is the introduction lesson. So it's the first lesson in a series that will comprise an entire YouTube playlist. I will link to the playlist in the description for each lesson in this training. This is going to be helpful for everyone. So if you're filling in your own VPAT, if you're hiring a service provider to issue an ACR for you, or if you're just reviewing ACRs, this will be very helpful training. One note is I am the founder of accessible.org and we offer VPAT services. All right, so more background on the VPAT. VPAT stands for Voluntary Product Accessibility Template. It is a standardized template document that is offered free of charge by the Information Technology Industry Council. You can download a VPAT at itic.org. The VPAT name and report form are ITI registered service marks. So what's going on with VPATs? All we're doing here is filling in a standardized document to account for the accessibility of our product or service. To fill in the VPAT accurately and completely, we do need a technical accessibility expert who understands the product or service. This expert can be in-house or it can be an independent expert. Think of the ACR. So once the VPAT is filled in and completed, we have an ACR. Think of it as a report card that you give to buyers, and then it helps the buyers understand your state of accessibility. So this is going to be very practical training. We will go through the VPAT and ACR process in plain English so that you understand exactly what's going on. And this training will be, again, it will be in chronological order on a YouTube playlist. And I'm going to add to this playlist by answering common questions about VPATs and ACRs. In the description, there will be very helpful information. There will be updates, resources, legal information, and more. So be sure to check the description for each video. And for this training, we will be working from the WCAG edition of the VPAT. So WCAG stands for the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. These are technical standards for web accessibility. There are different editions of the VPAT. So again, we'll be looking at the WCAG edition. There are some minor differences with the other editions. Just know that ahead of time. We'll go over the editions in a separate lesson, but no matter what edition you are using, read through the instructions for the VPAT edition that you have chosen, because those instructions are going to help you in completing and filling in the VPAT. All right, so finally, before we move on to the next lesson, we will conclude with resources. Again, accessible.org offers VPAT services. Also, Accessibility Tracker is a platform that tracks all accessibility issues, not just those found by scans, and it has AI to help with fixes. And again, the description will contain very helpful information, including the playlist to this entire training. And now we will move on to the next lesson.